Hello everyone, my name is Danny, and my first year field placement was at the foster care department in Los Angeles County, and my experience has been working with families as supervising visitations, as well as working with Child Protective Services in the removal of children from the home. I did that job for quite a few years, and most recently my employment position was I was the principal for a parochial school, and also did Christian counseling for the children in that school as well. Typically the kids that I worked with had behaviors such as ADHD and just needed a little bit of extra attention to be able to get through the day. The structure of the family system in which I was raised was I had a single matriarch, and I was the youngest of 12 children. My mother worked for the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department, and all of us kids were raised in parochial school. Our male figure in the home did not exist, so for that reason we generally depended upon the pastor of our church to help guide us in areas where we needed to have a father figure. In my own family, I play that similar role for my family, as I was a single parent for many years. And since my husband and I had gotten married, my husband has stepped into that father figure role and has helped raise my kids the second part of their life. And he is a very active father to all of my kids as well as my grandchildren. And they all respect him very much. And for my own role, I am more of the caregiver and the nurturer of my family. And my adult children come to me for advice, questions, concerns, anything that they have in regards to finances, as well as raising the kids and anything that they may happen to need. At this point, I don't have any burning questions. I'm just excited to be able to be at the tail end of this degree and to start working towards what I am focusing on for my education as well as for a future job. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you all in the class. Goodbye.